Welcome back to JD Wire. Today we're taking a look at the Pormido PRD81T rear view mirror dash cam, but make sure to stick around to the end for some driving footage. The Pormido PRD81T is an ideal upgrade for your vehicle, offering a factory-style rear view mirror dash cam with ultra-bright display, versatile camera positioning, and dependable parking functionalities. Let's break down the features, performance, and what makes this dash cam stand out. The Pormido OEM factory-style design mounts with the OEM-Style bracket for a stable factory-installed look. There is no wobble, shaking, unlike the strap-over dash cams. There is only one wire to set up that keeps the dashboard neat and clutter-free. It also has 3 quick access buttons that make it easy to snap photos instantly, switch between front, rear, or split views, turn the display off for a distracted-free drive. The PRD81T dash cam features an 11-inch 2K ultra-bright IPS touchscreen, offering 1200 nits brightness for excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Its automatic brightness sensor adapts to the day and night driving conditions, preventing glare at the night and washed out screens during the day. The outdoor or sunlight readable screens are typically 1000 nits or more. With 1200 nits, you can clearly see the dash cam screen to adjust settings, frame a shot, or view recorded footage even on a sunny day. Let me show you a quick overview of the screen menu and settings. So if you press on the glass, you get a sub menu, which you got your settings, your playback, your stop and start recording, your switch to views, and this is to take a picture, and this is to lock the current footage right here. Now, also, if you get in there, you press that, that's your menu, your settings. You could go through here and set whatever settings you would like to set. You know, your brightness, you could go to high. You could auto do it. You could auto set your brightness. I'm gonna keep mine on high for right now. And then you could change your GPS display here. You know, your speed units. You could change anything you want in here. And of course, it has your resolution right here, 1080p. Or you got 2K, and it's up to you, whichever one you would like. You want to switch your loop recording, you could do that. Let's get out of there. Just press the screen again, and then you can go back to your playback. And here you could forward. You could switch from rear to front camera. The front dash camera resolution is 2K, which is 2560 by 1440p. The front camera is detachable for flexible placement to avoid obstruction from the factory mirror or sun visor. You could also adjust the camera vertically with the lever to get you to the right angle you need. Equipped with the 170-degree wide-angle lens, it offers excellent road coverage and captures up to 4 lanes. The rear camera has a 1080p resolution. It can be mounted inside, or since it's IP68 waterproof, it can be mounted outside. The rear zoom function helps with parking precision and safety. Let me show you an example of this. Now to switch between modes, just go like this, from left to right, and you go to your different display views. And on the right side, you could zoom in by pressing on the right side. I would start in the middle and then just go up or down, up or down. All right, now you see the time and date. Just hold it down for a few seconds and then let go. Turn it back on, hold it down for a few seconds and then let go. Let's see, one more time. There it goes. And to get the right angle you need, just anywhere in the middle, and you could go up or down. The rear camera has a 150-degree wide-angle lens for viewing those blind spots. The Starvis IMX307 sensor with HDR and WDR technology provides sharp, clear night vision recording in low light, preventing overexposure from headlights. Its f1.8 aperture and an 8-glass lens deliver detailed video that's reliable for day-to-day driving and evidence from both front and rear cameras. If you need to mount your camera uniquely, the Pormido dash cam gives you the option to mirror flip or vertically flip the front or rear view for perfect alignment. Let me show an example of this. Okay, for mirror flip, what you want to do is go ahead and go to your main screen, and you're going to notice this car on the left side. We're going to go back into there, select it, come back out, and you notice the car is on the right side now. That's how that works. Now let's go back, and we're going to do vertical flip. And we're going to take a look at the image when we go back outside, and we're going to see that the image is upside down, 180 degrees. And that's how that works. So now you notice the port's on the right side, and we're going to go to the settings and hit front camera, mirror flip, and then we'll go back to the image. And you notice it's on the left side. That's how that works. Now let's do the vertical flip, and you see the front image is upside down, which is 180 degrees. That's how all this works. Most vehicles have a backup camera. If you have an older car without a backup camera, or a backup camera that doesn't work anymore, you can use a Pormido PRD81T rear view mirror dash cam as a backup camera if needed. All you need to do is install the red wire to activate the reversing grid lines to help you back up into those difficult spaces. And I'll put a link in the description for a step-by-step tutorial on how to install the red wire. Now these grid lines for the backup camera are adjustable to get you the right angle you need. Let me show an example of this. Now to adjust your grid lines, all you have to do is put your car in reverse, and from left to right, they go up. Now from right to left, they're going down, and you could adjust them all the way to what you need. There you go. The opposite way, it goes up, down. Now when you have your car in reverse, you could also adjust it to where you want to go, low or high. It's up to you. And then when you put it back in park, it goes back to the standard way that it was here. Go back to reverse, and it's still at the same angle. If you don't need to utilize the backup camera, simply ignore the red wire. The Pormido dash cam has 24-hour parking monitoring. Unlike most dash cams, the PRD81T dash cam comes with a hardwire kit. And I'll put a link in the description to a step-by-step video on how to install the hardwire kit into your vehicle. The hardwire kit operates in conjunction with the dash cam low voltage protection system. This system is designed to safeguard your car battery from draining during extended parking by automatically shutting off the vehicle. This ensures that your car battery remains protected and capable of normal startup for your next use. You can set the low battery voltage protection to 11.8 volts, 12 volts, or 12.4 volts. For 24 volts vehicles, you could set the low battery protection to 23.8 volts, 24 volts, or 24.4 volts. One of the Pormido's parking modes is collision detection. When you turn off your engine, the dash cam automatically powers off and transitions to the parking mode. The G sensor detects a vibration or crash. The dash cam will record a 30-second video before returning to parking mode. The next parking mode is time-lapse. Time-lapse captures images at a set intervals while parked, with the display turning off to save power. Time-lapse recording captures footage at a faster frame rate, making your videos appear in fast forward during playback. This feature allows you to save storage space while still being able to pause the video to examine specific details. You can adjust the captured intervals at 0.5 seconds, 1 second, 5 seconds, or turn off. You can adjust the time-lapse recording to 12 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours, not limited, or off. Not limited time-lapse recording will always be on without a time limit until the fuse box power is low, then cut off by the hardwire kit automatically. You can only turn on one parking mode, collision detection or time-lapse parking, so make sure to turn one of them off. The dash cam also includes GPS logging. The GPS coordinates, along with the miles per hour and the time and date, will be on the driving footage. This is useful for reviewing trips or provided details in case of an accident. The dash cam also comes with loop recording. What is loop recording? Loop recording is a feature that automatically deletes the oldest video to start recording a new video. You can set this to 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute segments. To ensure reliable recording, format your SD card monthly to clear its memory. Then there is G sensor. The G sensor, which can be set to 1, 2, 3, or 5, and 5 being the most sensitive, is activated by sudden movement, like collisions, potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking. When triggered, it automatically locks the current video, preventing it from being overridden by loop recording. This feature safeguards your video footage, making it available as evidence for insurance claims. Next is the emergency lock feature. If you see an incident happening, but not to you, Simply touch the lock icon and the dash cam will record an emergency video. Then there is emergency recording overwrite, which is a unique feature that you could only set to overwrite locked files. When you set this to on, if the SD card runs out of storage, the system will delete old locked files to make space for new recordings. Now this is neat because most dash cams, you can't do this. The only way to do this is to format your SD card. This is a way in case you forget to do this or you don't format your SD card regularly, you could use this feature. The rear view mirror dash cam included a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which is a nice bonus. The maximum SD card is 128 gigabyte. Buy the maximum SD card to maximize your lock files capacity without interfering with loop recording. Now let me show you how this dash cam works with some driving footage. The Pormido PRD81T is one of the best OEM styles rear view mirror dash cams available with the super bright 1200 nit screen, detachable flexible front camera, Starvis, night vision, and solid parking protection features. It's a premium choice for drivers who want both factory style look and modern dash functionality. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. If you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all notifications for all upcoming videos because I got more videos of this dash cam coming soon, and I also do tech gadgets. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.